Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of WebOsmotic. My name is Saina and I'm a project manager at WebOsmotic. I do have experience of 8 years in IT industry. I'll be sharing with you my experiences and insights from the professional world. Let's embark this journey together. I'll be sharing with you some tips and tricks which can make your WordPress journey easier. So the first tip is to add menu from the customize section. You can see the customize option if the toolbar is enabled for your user, or you can go to the dashboard and you can look for appearance menu and you can go to that and there will be a customize option. So this is how this customize page looks like. So we'll be looking for menus option, and here it is. So you will be able to see the menu listing which all are there already in the website. You can create a new menu or you can edit any menu if you like. So I'll be selecting the main menu, and you can also see that there are 4 items added in the main menu. So it's a home page, blog page, shop page, and contact us. So I'll be removing the blog page from here, and I'll be adding one more item. So I'll be creating a new page. It will be named as category, and I'll be adding the page. So it will take some time. So here it is. So I'll be adding it after the shop page, or we can do is like we can add as a sub item. It will be the sub menu for the shop page. So I'm now satisfied with the menu, and I'll be just hitting on publish, and it will again take some time to publish it. And here it is. You will be able to see that we have a sub menu added to the shop menu, and this is how it will look. So this customize option is a quick access to the menu option, because traditionally what we do in WordPress is we create pages, the list of pages which are required for a website, and then we go to the menu settings and we create a new menu and we add all those pages to that menu. So it will be a consuming process, because you'll have to just go to the pages and you will have to just publish them, and then you can use it from in the menu. So this can be a quick access to the menu section, and of course we know that menus are very important for any project or any website that we create. So, yeah, you might have noticed that in the past, selecting a time zones involved making a decision which GMT offset you are in, and that could be a bit confusing. But now, thanks to the introduction of time zones with city names, that is now much simpler, and you just have to come to the general settings and select your city, and you can just set your time zones like that. So this is more accurate, and this reduces the confusion as well. And also the time zone is really necessary for every website. It will help your page, post, event, whatever you create in WordPress to be correctly time stamped, and which is very crucial, beneficial for when you are scheduling any post or page for your city or for your time zone. So this is my tip number 2. So lastly, we are going to talk about a very handy feature which will make your management of media files in WordPress a whole lot easier, which is relative media file paths. And what exactly is that? So whenever you upload any media files or any images to the WordPress directory, it will get uploaded on the uploads directory. But do you know that we can also change it? And it is surprisingly easy to change it. Why it is important is that whenever you have large number of images or media files on your site, it will keep your upload directory neat and tidy. You will be able to find your images, and you will be able to customize your folder structure as per your needs. So let's see how we can change that settings from the WordPress dashboard. So to change the media settings, you just have to come to the settings for media, and you will be able to see the uploading files setting, and you'll just have to just uncheck it, and you just have to click on save changes. What this will do is it will directly upload your images on the uploads directory, but you can also have folders as per your needs. Before we wrap up, you just have to make sure that you follow some steps while you use relative media path, which is one, folder structure has to be descriptive and concise to avoid confusion, and also you have to regularly check old images and also clean up the unused images from the WordPress directory, so that your media files stay neat and tidy, and also you free up space from your server. So this is the tip number 3. Hope it helps you in your WordPress journey.
Thanks for watching. If you find this video valuable, please do like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more video. Thank you. Bye.